Whether you're abseiling Table Mountain in South Africa or snowboarding the slopes of Verbier, the latest generation of action cameras offer a range of exciting options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly capable and innovative action cameras, which will not only capture the moment but inspire the adventure. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The DJI MAVIC 3 Pro CINE is a high-end cinema drone which utilizes some of the smartest obstacle detection in the business. It features a triple camera array. The primary camera has a 20-megapixel 4/3 CMOS sensor paired with a 0.9-inch equivalent lens that supports up to 12.8 stops of dynamic range. It's capable of capturing footage at 5.1K pixel resolution at up to 50 frames per second, or 4K at up to 120 FPS. There is also a 6.5-inch equivalent lens over a 12-megapixel sensor and a 2.7-inch equivalent lens paired with a 48-megapixel sensor. The drone comes standard with 1 terabyte of internal storage, 2 additional batteries, and a charging hub to charge all 3 batteries simultaneously. The batteries provide a maximum of 43 minutes of flight time. Waypoint flight mode allows a series of positions to be programmed for the drone to fly between. Flights can be recalled and repeated as many times as necessary. The MAVIC 3 Pro CINE also features DJI's Advanced Pilot Assist system, which is essentially an autopilot assist for the drone that allows it to fly around obstacles by itself. It also enables the drone to operate in follow me mode. Waypoint flight control, exceptional picture quality, and Apple ProRes support makes the DJI MAVIC 3 Pro CINE an ideal companion for film creation and industrial inspection. If you're looking for the absolute best image quality from a 3D camera, then the Insta361 RS 1-inch 360 certainly delivers and is the only 3D camera that makes editing your footage easy enough to make shooting it worthwhile. The dual 1-inch CMOS lenses provide insanely sharp, clear footage, while the 1-inch sensors are capable of filming 6K 360-degree footage at 30 FPS or 3K footage up to 50 FPS. 21-megapixel 360-degree photos are also possible, including a HDR mode. Editing is fun and dynamic via the accompanying smartphone and desktop computer apps, including a dedicated plugin for Adobe Premiere. The body houses a battery brick with a USB-C charging port, a 1/4-inch tripod mount, a micro SD slot, and a very responsive 1.3-inch touchscreen, while the side panels display details relevant to the sensor and stabilization. If you want even better audio, there is a mic adapter that sits on the side of the camera, providing both a 1/4-inch monomic port and a mount for holding a small wireless mic receiver. The camera is rated IPX3 water resistant, which means it is not suitable for water sports. The Insta361 RS 1-inch 360 provides a superior vlogging experience via integrated and intuitive editing tools and the ability to capture mind-blowing 6K 360-degree footage. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is an incredibly versatile and user-friendly action camera boasting insane image quality. HDR video, GP log, vertical capture mode, and a wide array of first-party mods make it one of the best travel cameras in the market. The Hero 12's impressive battery life makes capturing extended scuba diving adventures and long time-lapse footage possible. At 5.3K 60, the highest quality video setting available on the Hero 12, you get a full 70 minutes of continuous recording, and at basic 1080p 30, there is 155 minutes of battery life available. GoPro has a number of awesome modules that you can attach to your camera, such as the Media Mod Essential if you use a GoPro to vlog, and the Max Lens Mod 2.0 for achieving the tallest and most thrilling POV shots possible, including an ultra-wide industry-leading 177-degree field of view. Bluetooth wireless audio is also supported out of the box. The GoPro Hero 12 Black introduces Hypersmooth 6.0, GoPro's internal stabilization system, which digitally crops into a scene if you're in a very shaky environment, such as downhill mountain biking, to ensure your shot is buttery smooth. It is also possible to sync an unlimited number of GoPro Hero 12 Black cameras with a uniform timecode to make editing in Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere possible. The GoPro Hero 12 Black's modular design and industry-leading stabilization make for a capable and complete action camera experience. The Insta360 Pro 2 is a professional 360-degree camera capable of capturing stereoscopic video and images via its 6 equidistant lenses located around the spherical body of the device. Spatial audio is also supported via the device's 4 microphones. The Farsight feature allows you to connect a transmitter directly to the camera via its LAN port and a receiver to a phone or tablet, enabling the operator to review live footage up to a distance of 1,000 feet ground to ground and 3,280 feet ground to air while remaining out of the frame. At the highest 8K resolution, the camera can capture 3D footage at 30 FPS and 2D footage at 60 FPS, while 4K 3D footage tops out at 120 FPS. The included software, Insta360 Stitcher, is a feature-rich stitching application with a very minimal and easy-to-navigate interface. You are able to choose between monoscopic and stereoscopic, optical flow or scene-specific stitching together, with a variety of other encoding options. A Premiere Pro plugin is also available. There is also an option to export the audio file independently, an especially useful feature when dealing with spatial audio and mixing with an external DAW. Insta360's Crystal View encoding enables footage to be viewed on iOS or Android devices. For those interested in capturing panable 360-degree footage, the Insta360 Pro 2 delivers a feature-rich alternative. The Insta360 X3 is handheld fun. This 360 action camera can be used with or without mounts, boasts a large portrait screen, industry-leading stabilization, and powerful intuitive editing tools. The camera shoots 360-degree clips at up to 5.7K resolution, 30 frames per second, and 360-degree stills at up to 72 megapixel resolution, while Insta360's secret weapon, Active HDR, creates a truly vibrant color spectrum. Flow state stabilization is excellent and is ideal for capturing action footage, be it downhill mountain bike riding, FPV snowboarding, or a run around the lake. You can also switch on a feature called Direction Lock when editing your clips, which counters any twisting of the camera, so it appears as though you were holding the X3 straight the whole time. A variety of mounting scenario kits are optional, including Get Set Kit featuring an invisible selfie stick, a 64GB memory card, and a lens cap. Others available include the Snow Kit, Motorcycle Kit, Bike Kit, and Bullet Time Kit. The X3 is water resistant to a depth of 33 feet. Insta360 also makes a dive case for those approaching depths of 10 meters. Insta360 claims the battery can last 81 minutes while recording 360-degree 5.7K resolution footage. The Insta360 X3 is a great all-rounder action camera geared towards influencers and content creators at an attractive price point. So guys, if you are looking for an action camera, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to that ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.